Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Bank of Baroda share, and we'll be analyzing what are the investment strategy we need to apply while investing in this stock. So we'll be going to this video. Please, before that, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and please like the video. Bank of Baroda share touched its 52 weeks low last day, and currently it is trading at 41.10. If you can see the 5-year chart, the stock has corrected around 75%, and currently it is trading at a price near to its 2008 price, which was around 36 and 40. So over the course of the time, after this corona issues and after 6 months, when the market is going up, you will get good return considering the price at which the bank share is trading. It's a good opportunity to invest. If you are already invested in this share at higher level, you can average this share by investing when the bank share price reach at 40 level. And if you are a new investor, if you want to invest in this company, then you can start investing part by part at the price which I will tell you later. From 40 onwards we will be investing in this share, and every dip we will be increasing our investment, but only amount which you can spare, and the amount which you feel you don't need within 1 year 2 year, that amount you need to invest in this stock. Otherwise it will be difficult for you, because in between you never know how long the price will correct and how much deep down it will go. That thing is there, and you need to consider that when you are investing in this company. If you can see the shareholding pattern, foreign FII, foreign institutional investors are selling from, they have reduced their stake in this bank, but mutual funds are increasing their holding, and domestic institutional holding is also increased. So for domestic investors like mutual fund and domestic institutionals, the price is attractive for them, and they have started accumulating this stock. But for FIIs, they are selling this stock. So while investing, you can consider these things, means you can start accumulating in this stock at this price level. Also promoter, which is Government of India, also increased their stake in this bank, so that's a good sign. And when for the economy to revive, government need to do some stimulus packages and all. At that point of time, they will be considering increasing the capital of these banks, also government PSU banks. If that is the case, you can see a good rally in government banks, so that will also be a positive sign for this bank. The dividend history of this bank, so you can see that up to 2017 the bank was giving good dividend, and in 2014 the bank given 10.5 rupees per share, which was a good amount. And considering the current price, this is very good, attractive. But the thing is that currently the bank is going through difficult times because of NPA, so you cannot expect. And as per RBI has instructed all banks not to give dividend in this financial year, so you cannot expect dividend for this financial year and almost next year also. But once these NPA issues are resolved, then you can expect good dividend from this company. And at this price, if you get RS10 dividend, it will be a very good for you. So you can hold this company for long term, considering the fact that the company is a government owned bank. Then there will not be much issues like other banks, like S Bank. Even though S Bank was private, the government saved that bank. So similar kind of action will be taken by government if there is any issue in this bank. So The price is you can accumulate current price. I'll be showing you what are the price we can invest in this bank. This is the price at which I am planning to buy this share. That is at when the price is touching 40, I'll be investing 10% of my amount which I have budget for accumulating this bank share. At 40, I'll be using 10% of my investment amount for buying this share, and the price reach at if again it gets corrected, then if the price reach at 35, I'll be buying again 10%, and when the price reach 30, I will use my 20% of my investable amount. Like that I will be accumulating the stock till 20. I'm not expecting the price to correct below 30 also, but even though I have a buffer up to 20 to accumulate this stock. If the stock price goes up, and then I will be holding this stock, and if I get good returns, then after that I will be selling this stock. I have a plan to hold for a long term also, but I will let's see how the market goes and how the economy goes. Based on that I will take a decision. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please like the button, and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.